Hey Joe, where are we going today?
What are you doing? We're going to the RV show.
You excited?
I am. I'm very excited.
Hey Joe. Are you ready?
I am. I'm excited.
All right, here we are. Ready to walk into Industry Day at the 2022 RV Super Show.
Here in Tampa, Florida.
Here in Tampa.
Yep.
Shading's horrible. Our faces are dark. Anyway.
My face is always dark.
Here we go. And there is the show.
Come on, follow us, kids.
Hey everybody.
Hey fam.
Here we are at the Tampa RV Show, the Super Show 2022.
Day one for public, day 2 for us.
Right. We're here for Media Day, and let me tell you, we are tired.
Exhausted.
We've been running around for 2 days straight, and we've been recording all sorts of things, and things for you guys, that all the things that we're doing to show you some great new products, great new things, and also a couple new technology items that you guys are going to really like.
Right.
So this is a short video just to kind of give you it's not live, but it did happen today. So you're going to see this tonight here. So you're going to get an idea of what all this is all about.
Do us a favor, please. I'm sorry.
That's all right.
Do us a favor, please, and continue to tell us what you want to see, so we know, because that's exactly what we're here doing today.
Right.
And
leave your comments below, because tomorrow we're going to be making tours of many RVs, and some of you have already put requests in what you'd like to see. So you've already made arrangements with some of the dealers, even some of the CEOs of the companies of the products you guys have already said you want to see. So leave your comments below on what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to try to tour that unit for you.
For you.
Okay, so sit back, relax, and enjoy some of the sights, sounds, and some of the stuff that we recorded today. Yeah. All right.
Goodbye, Joe. You gotta go with me on my own.
Hey everybody, here we are at the RV show, and look, we saw a sighting of a My Bucket List Day fan. Hey guys, introduce yourselves.
So, I'm Larry Spiker, and this is my wife Barb Spiker.
That's great.
That's probably it. Come look us up. We're happy to say hello. An island. The first Class A I've seen with an island in it.
And a wine bar.
Oh, and a wine bar.
Okay, so maybe it is worth it. Coming from
So we have the breakfast table or nook right over here. It's a high counter. Beautiful finish and colors.
Yeah.
Is the master. 2 big closets on each side here. Big storage area there. Hey Joanne.
Yes.
Come see if you fit in here. So we'll see if it's Joanne's size.
Easily.
And sure enough.
Actually, only in half, too.
For those of you that are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, ring the bell, all that stuff, and leave your comments below. And also, if you'd like, you want to contribute and help out our channel, click the little join button next to the subscribe button.
I
Say that fast 3 times.
I can't.
Anyway, we appreciate all of your input, and we appreciate all of you that are liking and subscribing.
And coming to say hello to us while we're here.
Yes, we've met a lot of you already.
Yeah.
So
Yep,
if you're here and you're watching this, you
Find
see us
us.
tomorrow. We'll be around, and we'd love to meet you guys. See ya. Bye.
See ya.